There are many decorating trends today, but really the main point of trend is, what do you like? What matches your personal style? The first trend is organic. You'll see in many magazines and stores today that there's a lot of organic materials, from travertine to wicker to cane to stone to woods that are distressed. That trend comes at a time where we all want to feel warm and cozy in our space. There's a lot going on in the world right now. So trends typically mirror what's happening in the world today. This trend comes with soft neutrals, warm beiges, off-whites, ivories, monochromatic neutrals. The next trend is deep jewel tones, very dark and deep and rich color. It tends to be more moody and dark, and this would be represented in dark teal, dark wine, burnt orange, brass, and textured velvets. It is a little bit of the glam trend as well as mid-century coming together. You'll see velvets, you'll see silks, and you'll see dark wall covering in this trend. The third trend is animal, zebra and leopard being the key patterns in this trend. You see it in rugs, you also see it in wall covering, and you see it in upholstery. I tend to steer away from doing animal in a chair because then again, it's less expensive to replace a pillow than it is to recover a chair, isn't it? The next trend is art-inspired. You will see that there are murals of florals or jungle or scenes, and they are applied to the wall. It's kind of virtual reality, I would say, but it's an artistic trend. It's large pieces of art versus smaller pieces of art. It's bold colored art. It's abstract. It's collaged. It's muraled. In some cases, there's a mural taking up the entire wall of a room. So these are just a couple trends that are trendy now. But again, I'd like to reiterate that the best trend is your trend.